Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on LENOVO Tab M7. To do this, you need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, try to find the Microsoft Edge. And simply install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open it and then we can begin the setup. So sign in to turn on synchronization with other Edge browsers. I'm gonna skip it with sign in later. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And I actually skipped it. I wanted to do it, but I pressed it wrong, so you can set it, but you can also skip it by pressing on Not Now. From here, browser should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.